Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into hilarious manga style memes. It's all for free, super easy, and writes just on your phone. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the DreamFace app. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the Play Store. It's completely free to get, and once installed, just log in with your account. And don't worry, DreamFace has a free plan that gives you a weekly credits, and you even get free AI avatar generations, so you can totally follow along without spending a cent. Now once you're in, head over to the magic effect, this one. This is where the fun begins. Just scroll through the effects until you find manga memes. This one, just tap on it. Next, just upload the photo that you want to use. I will choose this one. Like this. This can be your selfie or your pet or even your friend's funniest expressions. And once the photo is loaded, simply tap create and then just wait for the moment. And see, your manga meme is ready. It's so cute. Then you can save it or just share it with the friends or post it online. And that's it. Turning a normal photo into a manga meme takes less than a minute. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.